Yorkshire Coast Homes is a registered social landlord. We're based in Scarborough, but we cover an area between Scarborough, Whitby, Filey, but we also manage some properties in the Bridlington area on behalf of Broadacres Housing Association. We knew that the current process involved a lot of paper, and it also involved trade operatives being able to choose what jobs they were doing, when they were going to do it, at their leisure. We needed more control over that, and we wanted to be more efficient and save money, basically. And to do that, we knew mobile working was how we needed to go. It was a bit of a culture change for a lot of the operatives because they hadn't used a successful solution before, and they were used to managing their own workload. The mobile solution manages their workload for them now, but in a more efficient manner. One of the big benefits, and a lot of people suffer from this managing dispersed staff, is that we can now contact all of those staff in one go. We have a texting system in place that we use to contact our tenants. We can use the same system to contact our operatives. But also, from a mobility point of view, our back office systems are updated in real time, which didn't happen before. The life cycle of a job before was the job had been received by the contractor and the job had been completed. Now we get stage updates every time something happens to that job. The job is received on the PDA, he's travelled to the job, he's started the job and then completed the job. So we get the full life cycle. For me, Peak-Ryzex was like a phoenix rising from the flames, because the mobile solution that we chose, we were stuck with Windows Mobile 6.5. We couldn't have any other device, it had to be Windows Mobile 6.5. And we'd heard lots of horror stories from other housing associations that we'd spoken to, where they were having to search all over the internet to buy second-hand devices because they just couldn't get hold of these devices. I went to another seminar where Peak-Ryzex were, and I didn't even know a company like Peak-Ryzex existed. I thought we were going to be the same as those other housing associations, having to troll the internet to find what we needed. So for me, it was of huge benefit to find them that day, because not only were they able to give us a range of devices to choose from, help us with the gold builds, they took a lot of my work away, work that I didn't have time to do in the project. The project hadn't been scoped, devices were left as an afterthought because there was so much other work going on, and it really did save me and the other IT staff a lot of time building the devices, managing the devices, learning how to use them. I see them being as a business partner because it's not just about the devices like it was at the time. We wanted to put in a mobile device management solution. We didn't have time. We need that now. We need to work with them. They've done it several times before. We haven't. Even though we've gone live now, we're not the experts. They are. And there's a lot of things on the horizon, not just for the repairs and maintenance element, but more mobile working for all of our staff.